Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 74. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 covering here and a 7 covering here, so our 7 must be here. 8 here, so 6, 8. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this top row now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 3 here, so 7, 3. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 here and a 7 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8. I don't see any help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 1 here, so 9, 1. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 3 and 5. And I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. That 4 makes this our 7, 4. And that 7 makes this our 1, 7. For this column now, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 8, 1. That 3 makes this our 5, 3. That 8 makes this our 5, 8. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.